O diha mo pagsayaw niya ay kay fake grass man ay gani lang na. Welcome to SeaWorld Oasis Resort. Is there any koi? Yeah, there's so many fish. Who's that one? The other one, who is this one? Patrick?
Yeah, hello Patrick.
Hello, Patrick. Whose birthday today?
It's my sister.
Yeah. But the pool for children is under repair. Yeah, it's true. There's no water. So we can take the gazebo. Kay kung dirita, wala. We can use the kuan. And there's no water. Please observe proper swimsuit attire. There is the restaurant open. Naman sila restaurant ba? Gazebo 3 and 4 daw ang bakante. Si Manang Ira o si Ate Kat. Mabot man nana daw sa kuan. Nana man to sa Panabo ganiha. Dili. Dito ta sa 4 kay Landong. Sa last muna bakante 3 and 4. Ano, yung bakante man daw ni 3 and 4. Kuha na nila unya. Kaya naman dito sa 1 and 2. Oh, you can leave. Ano?
Okay. Can I leave too?
Yes.
I stay away from it.
Yeah. Mo ba yung 3 and 4 yung mas gusto sa may gusto niyo kana o mo balhin ta diha. Say gusto niyo mas prefer ni mo manang. Kani? I-try daw kaya itong i-transfer to ang accommodation kung gusto ka. Na may bag diha man akong gusto sa 4. Kung nay nag-occupy diha mo transfer lang ta mangino nato daan. Is that deep? Diha lang kami sa middle.
Go now.
Yeah, go.
Ma, can I go now?
Yeah.
Let's go, Ma.
Yeah.
Oh no. No. No, wrong.
No. The pool is out of order. The kiddie pool here, this side is out of order.
But what is it?
Look at to.
Hello.
It's a bit deep, right?
Deep.
Here?
What?